Hey guys, it's Wes with Their Concepts. So, like many of you, I also watched the Team Associated Vintage Off-Road Championship in Las Vegas, Nevada. It was a really cool event to watch, to see all these different, legends of RC come back and get together and do one race, and it was awesome. So hopefully they do it again next year. So even before that, I've been following the vintage scene. They had the Vintage Clash over at Hoosier Hobbyplex, and that was awesome as well to watch. And I've been following some of the other vintage events as well over the years. So I'm not really like super into the vintage stuff, just really because I experienced it. I was there, I raced them, when they were new. I went and got one new from the hobby shop. But I was always a Team Losi guy at the time. So anyway, I digress. So as I was saying, I'm not really huge into the vintage, or really even any of the collecting side of RC. So, but I've been thinking about dipping my toes into a little bit of vintage and kind of getting my version of what a cool vintage build would look like. So anyway, I went and picked one up, which you'll see what it is here in just a minute, and just some tools. My plan is just really to build this thing to the kit spec first, and then I'm going to go back and then modify it and kind of make it unique in my own, essentially. So anyway, let's take a look at what I got. Yep, I picked up a Team Associated Vegas Edition RC10 kit. So really looking forward to this. I actually got really lucky. So I saw that A-Main had a couple kits available for sale, and I picked one up right at the right moment before they sold out. So apparently they had a surplus of kits at the event. So a couple of the sponsored businesses were able to take some back with them to sell. So I know there's not that many in circulation, so definitely very thankful that I was able to pick up this very sweet vintage kit. As I was saying before, I'm going to build this thing to kit specs. So just for the ease of use, using all of my existing wheels and tires, I went ahead and picked up this new 12mm hex conversion kit for the rear. And then also these vintage Team Associated kits use SAE fasteners. So I had to pick up a SAE toolkit. So luckily ProTech has a really nice kit that you can pick up, a set, and I picked up a couple nut drivers as well in SAE sizes. So my plan is, just like I said, to build this thing as like a roller to kit spec, and then I'm going to go back and remodify it and kind of make it my own. So I know a lot of the collector vintage purists are like, why would you even open this box of this highly limited kit? Well, for me personally, I don't really own any display model RCs. I actually use all of mine. So my plan is to not only build this thing, is I would like to go race it next year. So I'm not sure what that looks like. Hopefully it's something a little closer in Vegas, but that'd be really cool to go to Vegas as well. So I know that J Concepts has their ONS series next year, and there's some talks, potentially of having, vintage classes. So maybe I could race this thing in one of the vintage classes. That would be really cool. But also just note that, I'm not just going to get this thing out and tear it up. It's going to have to be a special occasion, and I want it to be an organized event only for vintage vehicles if this thing's going to touch the dirt. So, and that is the plan. I'm going to race it outside on dirt. So anyway, my plan is to do a kind of a build series with this kit. So maybe we can build it together, and then we can go back and modify it and set it up kind of for racing at the track. And then down the road next year, maybe I'll take you along for a vlog and we can go race it together too. So I don't know what you think. Drop a comment below. And if you have any ideas, some of the things you want to see with this series, remember I'm a racer. I'm not really a collector. So this is actually my first RC10 kit that I've ever built. I was a Team Losi guy back in the day. So it's all new to me. So I'm going to be learning as I go right now. So looking forward to it. Again, if you have any ideas, anything you want to see with this series, just drop a comment below. I really appreciate if you could like, and then go ahead and smash the subscribe button too if you want to follow along with the series. Thanks.